During my days as a student, I had my perfect body shape. But after school, I stopped moving. I stopped feeling myself. I was 27, but I felt old. Today, I'm going to tell you why I started training and how it changed everything. So this was me when I started training. After university, I was at home not really doing anything, and I started noticing my body changing, not in a good way. I would wake up in the morning feeling down, heavy, like my body wasn't mine. I would get tired doing small things. Even eating didn't feel good anymore. And I kept asking myself, I am too young to be feeling like this. What is really happening? I remember when I was at the university, I used to go to a local gym once in a while just to sweat a little and leave. But when I hit that low point, I told myself, no, I need to go back for real this time round. What pushed me was losing my energy at such a young age. I couldn't live like that anymore, so I had to walk into the gym. And honestly, it was the hardest part. So it wasn't easy. You would walk into the gym and everyone else seemed to know what they are doing except you. You know how that feels. I started with dumbbells and my form was really ridiculous. Shoulders shooting up everywhere. But people kept correcting me and I kept showing up every time. You know, that's one beauty about the gym part. You see, when you get to the gym, most of the time, I know the flexing part is there, but people are always ready to help you to perfect your goal. That's the beauty. You don't see that most of the time in other places. I started small, lightweight, bench press, basic stuff. Slowly, things I couldn't do before, I was doing. And every small win made me come back the next day. You see, when you start gymming and you are not careful, I can assure you the first 1 month, let me even say the first 1 week to 2 weeks, you might just quit. Why? Because your body begin to pain, even ordinary brushing your teeth. Like me, for instance, if brushing my teeth at that material moment was really difficult, bathing difficult, especially when I'm climbing stairs, it's crazy. And so waking up in the morning with pains all over your body as a beginner, you know, if you are not motivated enough, or if your goal is not bigger than the pain at that material moment, I can assure you are going to quit. Yes, but it's just if you keep that pace, eventually the pain will go. So guys, this was me after some few months in the gym. You can notice the difference, right? The first thing I noticed was I felt light again, active and agile. I could actually move without feeling tired, do running, jogging, engage in any activity, and I had a lot of energy in my body. Important thing, my appetite came back. I started to enjoy food again. But it wasn't just physical. My mentality changed. My mental health got better. I had energy not just in my body, but in how I thought and how I handled things. Now I do push-ups, squats, HIIT exercise at home after gym. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And to be honest, this is one of the amazing things that that has ever happened to me. So why Form Check HQ? I made a lot of mistakes when I was starting, a lot. And I know there are people that are just starting right now and feeling the same way I felt when I started my training journey. That is why I started Form Check HQ. I want to help you avoid those mistakes and help you transform your body as far as your health matters, like I did. I also want you to know that if you are on this journey, you are not alone.
Oh, I'm hurt. Yo, kind of the burn my chest. Timusu sun kasa. Timusu sun kama wasem bullshit. I'm dead. I play cool, but hey, I'm hurt. Timusu sun kasa. I don't take things seriously. Back to back continuously. Oh my God.
If this hit home, subscribe and join the family. We are growing together here at Form HQ. So please drop a comment. What is the hardest part for you right now? Remember, I read every comment. And thank you for staying and sticking with us. Bye for now. See you in the next video.